Let's go, everyone. Today we'll be unboxing Apple's new 14-inch MacBook Pro with M1 Pro chip. This is the base model, not the M1 Max, but really cool. I like the packaging. Let's see. MacBook Pro. Here's what you see on the back. So 14-inch MacBook Pro. Sides, nothing special. Nothing too special. This is the new 14-inch with the notch. Here we go. So large PO. That's pretty satisfying. All right, here we go. Ta-da! Dope. Let's see. Okay. So plastic around the outer packaging. This is like paper. More ports added. Thank you, Apple. Ports added back again. All right, before we get to this, let's check out the accessories real quick. Actually, no, let's do this first. All right. Ooh. It's nice. Feels extremely sturdy. Magsafe ports back. More ports back, that's nice. All right, here we go. Oh. Ooh. It's pretty satisfying. Let me peel this off so you can see the screen. Nice. So you can see the notch, how that looks like. Really small bezel, so I don't think I will mind the notch much. It's nice that it's 14-inch, more real estate. But yeah, there you have it. Let's check out the keyboards. Look nice. All right, this is gonna be my new personal machine that I'll be uploading these unboxing videos to. So
to use English as the main language, press the return key.
No, Siri, not now. All right. So that's the laptop. Set this aside. Let's do accessories. All right. So let's pull this out. See if they hook it up with any stickers or anything. Let's see. They seem pretty stingy on sticker. Oh, nice. Just as I said, they seem stingy. Oh, these are pretty cool. Black stickers. Used to the white, clear, silver, gray ones. It's pretty dope. Black stickers. Stickers. Let's see. Nothing else in here. All right, let's do the power adapter. All right, let me. Oh. This is not the right way. Cool, cool. Set this aside. All right, the cable for the Magsafe Charger. I'm impressed with how well they package these cables within the cardboard or paper housing. Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, so I have this that plugs into the cable. Nice. I mean, plugs into the charger. This is really good that if something happens to your cable, you could just buy a replacement and your entire power brick isn't dead and useless. So good job, Apple, there. And the new lightning connector. Pretty dope. I'm excited to use this, and that's it. Set this aside, bring this back. There you have it, guys. New M1 Pro 14-inch base MacBook, and really excited to use this. Really excited to use this. This will be my new daily, replacing a old late 2013 MacBook Pro. So it's been exactly 8 years. Time for an upgrade. And yeah, it just feels like a big upgrade, especially being 8 years later. So I'm sure I'll enjoy it. Thanks, everyone. Have a good day. See you next time. Bye.